Want to learn Kurmanji Kurdish but not sure where to begin? Then my Beginner Kurmanji Kurdish course is exactly what you are looking for. With nearly 60 video lessons plus PDF materials and quizzes, you will learn the fundamentals of Kurdish in a clear, effective and structured way. In this course, I explain all the essential grammar topics through everyday conversations and real-life examples, so you don't just memorize rules, you actually learn how to use the language. You will also practice the plenty of role plays, helping you building sentences and communicate confidently in different situations. When you join, you will get access to a student community where you can practice daily, do exercises and connect with other learners. And of course, you can always message me directly if you have any questions or need support. Learn anytime, anywhere on your phone, tablet or computer, so there is no excuse to wait. Click the link in my profile and sign up now because enrollment will be closed very soon.